ay nagagalak na nandito kayo ngayong gabi. So maging sino man tayo, kung ano man ang inyong paniniwala, tonight's concert is a gift of hope for you.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas!
Good evening, Philippines!
Wherever there are people, we are there with kindness, optimism, and hope, making other people's lives better.
Isang ganap na kaliwanagan ng pag-asa.
Tonight, we invite you to let hope shine brightly for you. Kung nasaan ka man, anuman ang iyong paniniwala, remember, you are a child of God, a son or daughter of a noble heritage.
You have a Filipino heart, a heart of faith, hope, and love.
May this moment and this music be an expression of God's hand holding you and lifting you up. Dahil buhay si Jesucristo.
Because Jesus Christ lives.
Sa gitna ng bagyo, siya ang kasama natin.
He is with us.
And He loves you.
Time being here. These people are so beautiful.
They make us happy.
Grabe, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Wonderful and amazing experience.